Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to connect Homaxi's IPC to a third-party NVR using a PoE connection. Stay with us. Support for activation using Homaxi NVR, Homaxi Tool, and IPC web browser. Here, we'll use Homaxi Tool as an example. Connect the Homaxi IPC to a switch using an Ethernet cable. Then connect the switch to the computer. Open Homaxi Tool. Activate the IPC. And configure the appropriate security measures. Use an Ethernet cable for the PoE connection. Refresh and wait a moment for the DNVR to detect the device. Click Edit to modify the IPC password, and the connection will be successfully established. Homaxi IPC supports the standard ONDIF protocol. Once connected to the PoE NVR, it supports configuration for preview, playback, and motion detection, among other features. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.